Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd October. Gandhi Jayanti is an event celebrated in India to mark the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. It is celebrated annually on 2nd October and it is one of the 3 national holidays of India. The UN General Assembly has also adopted 2nd October as the International Day of Non-Violence. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated to highlight the Gandhi's principles of peace and non-violence and to educate and inspire present generation the contribution made by Gandhiji to make India an independent country. His non-violent ways united millions of people to follow the path of ahimsa and protest against the evil oppression. He left behind a legacy to inspire people and unify with brotherhood in arms. Without the legendary leader Mahatma Gandhi, India wouldn't have been free from the clutches of the Britishers. About Gandhiji. Mahatma Gandhi was born on October 2, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and mother's name was Putli Bai. At the age of 13, Mahatma Gandhi was married to Kasturba, which was an arranged marriage. They had 4 sons, namely Harilal, Manilal, Ramdas and Devdas. She supported all the endeavours of her husband until her death in 1944. He was an average student in school and went to South Africa to study law. He lived there for 21 years from 1893 to 1914 and fought for Indian rights there. Originally a lawyer, Gandhi's knees used to tremble when asked to speak up in front of a large crowd in London, where he went to study as a barrister. With passing age, his memorials concluded that the man had transformed from a quite shy barrister to India's leading voice that had led the country to its freedom. When he came back to India, he became a member of India National Congress. Due to his relentless hard work, he soon became the President of Congress. Mahatma Gandhi's efforts were not restricted to Indian independence only. The man also fought various kinds of social evils. These social evils were untouchability, casteism, female subjugation, etc. Furthermore, he also made significant efforts to help poor and needy. Mahatma Gandhi has played pivotal roles in the major protest movements like Dandi March, Quit India movement, non-cooperation movement that helped India to get its independence. Millions of people used Gandhi's ideologies of non-violence and peace to protest, and at last they regained their long-lost freedom on 15th August 1947. He was assassinated on 30th January 1948 by Nathuram Godse, an advocate of Hindu nationalism, a member of the political party, the Hindu Mahasabha, and a past member of the Hindu nationalist paramilitary volunteer organization Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS). Godse considered Gandhi to have been too accommodating to Muslims during the partition of India of the previous years. Mahatma Gandhi, lovingly called Bapu, left behind a string of quotes and principles that are observed with utmost importance to this day. His inspirational words and philosophies attracted the people in an instant and motivated them to live their lives based on strong principles. Observance of the day. Gandhi Jayanti is marked by prayer services and tributes all over India, including at Gandhi's memorial Rajghat in New Delhi, where he was cremated. Popular activities include prayer meetings, commemorative ceremonies in different cities by colleges, local government institutions, and socio-political institutions. Painting and essay competitions are conducted, and best awards are granted for projects in schools and the community, encouraging a non-violent way of life as well as celebrating Gandhi's effort in the Indian independence movement. Gandhi's favorite bhajan, Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, is usually sung in his memory. Statues of Mahatma Gandhi throughout the country are decorated with flowers and garlands. Some people avoid drinking alcohol or eating meat on the day. Public buildings, banks and post offices are closed.